Hello, everyone! Today we are going to make the horns of the strawberry cow. We will be using red yarn. Start by wrapping the yarn around. Then, start crocheting the first round by making a slip knot. Next, we're going to create a magic ring inside this loop. Loosen the loop on the crochet hook a bit. Now, in this magic loop, we need to crochet 4 single crochets. The first single crochet, mark it with stitch marker. The second single crochet. The third one. 4. Remove the piece from middle finger. Pull this yarn tail tight and form a circle. Then, remove the stitch marker. Insert the crochet hook at the spot where the stitch marker was and make a slip stitch. Great! Our magic ring is complete. Now let's move on to the second round. Start with a chain stitch. In this round, we are going to make 2 sets. Each set consists of 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Let's make the first set. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch hole. Then in the next stitch, make 1 increase. Okay, now make the second set. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We can cut off the extra yarn. At last, make a slip stitch to finish this round. Great! Round 2 is done. The crochet method for round 3 to 4 is the same. You will crochet 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch. Chain 1 and make single crochet in each stitch. Please complete the 2 rounds on your own. See you later! Finally, we leave a slightly longer tail of yarn and make fasten off. Alright, 1 horn is now fully crocheted. The same crochet method applies to the other one. Please complete it on your own. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.